Bouillabaisse. French seafood stew. A main dish from France. Serve 6. You will need 26 ingredients. Step 1. In a large saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and sauté leek and celery until soft, but not browned. Step 2. Add garlic. Sauté for 2 more minutes. Step 3. Stir in tomato paste and continue cooking for 1 more minute. Step 4. Add wine to deglaze pan by scraping any brown bits from the bottom of the pan while the wine reduces. Boil gently for about 3 minutes. Step 5. Stir in tomatoes with juice, clam juice, water, sea salt to taste, anise seed, and saffron. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Step 6. Meanwhile, heat remaining 2 tablespoons oil in a large soup pot. Add the clams and cook for about 3 minutes, stirring constantly. Step 7. Lower heat if oil is smoking. Add simmered broth. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, and simmer for 3 more minutes. Step 8. Stir in fish, cover and continue cooking for 1 more minute. Step 9. Add scallops and cook just until seafood is done, about 4 more minutes. Throw away any clams that do not open. Step 10. For the Rouille, combine bread, paprika, garlic, red pepper, and oil in a food processor and blend to a smooth paste. Step 11. Serve stew with garlic croutons, garnished with Rouille. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.